Welcome guys to the Google Ads Master course. In this course we will talk about Google Ads, search ads, Google display ads, Google remarketing ads, Google shopping ads, optimization and secret tips to control the Google Ads costing and increase the ROI as well. So this is the first module in which we will talk about Google Ads basics, in which we will talk about what is Google Ads, how AdWords auction works, and how targeting and budget control will work, and how we can structure ad account as well, how we can structure our campaigns as well, which campaign type we have to select, and some terminologies which we need to know about Google Ads. So let's start the video. First of all, we need to know about what is Google Ads. Google Ads is an online advertising platform developed by Google. Obviously that is developed by Google, where advertisers pay to display brief advertisement, service offering, product listing, video content, and generate mobile applications installed within the Google Ad network to web users. And this pay-per-click of Google is called Google AdWords. Pay-per-click of Facebook is called AdWords, Facebook AdWords. And there are 4 types of advertising methods in Google advertising, which are search advertising, display network advertising, mobile network advertising, video YouTube advertising, and retargeting as well. We need to differentiate between the advertising methods and campaign types. There are multiple types of campaign, and recently I told you that these are the advertising methods like search, display, remarketing, video, and all these. Some terminologies we need to know about, like what is CPC. CPC is cost per click, like what we are going to pay to Google from one click to our ads. And what is ACPC, that is average cost per click, that you are putting multiple keywords and you are getting average CPC from those multiple keywords, that is your average CPC. And what is TCPC, that is total cost per click. What is IMP? Impressions and views. Impressions are called in Google search campaigns, and views are called in your display campaigns, video campaigns as well. What is CTR? CTR stands for click through rate, and which is defined by click divided by impressions multiplied by 100, that is your CTR in percentage form. Like 100 people are seeing my ads and 1 person is clicking on my ad, that is 1% CTR. And CTR should not be below 1%. If CTR is below 1%, that means you are not planning with the good ads and good keywords as well. Your campaign is not well structured, your keywords are not well to defined and relevant. And what is quality score? Quality score is a score given to every keyword from 1 to 10. Higher score reduces our bid per click and better position in search engine. Quality score depends upon landing page quality, relevance, and ads and keyword relevancy as well. Good CTR already affects quality score. Like if your CTR is very good, like if your CTR is between 2 to 3%, that means your quality score will be very good. In previous year, like in 2019, quality score was defined between 1 to 10, and 1 means the lowest quality score and 10 means the highest quality score. 10 means that your ad is relevant, most relevant, and your keywords are most relevant, your landing page experience is most relevant to the advertisers and audience as well. Quality score below 3 will stop your ads, like quality score below 3 will get less impressions and less clicks as well. And quality score above 5, that will be your average, and above 7, that is your above average quality score. And what is ad rank? Ad rank is like a bid amount into quality score is quality ad rank. Like my quality score is 7 and I am bidding on particular keyword is like 1 rupee, and that is my ad rank. 7 multiplied by 1, that is 1 ad rank. And ad rank is the most important key factor in defining our ads position and getting traffic as well, getting our ads visible on the Google Ads network more relevancy. Now like what which type of keywords we have to select. Since we are doing adverts PPC program, most of us know keyword selection. If not, then attend the keyword research section in the next module as well. Like in PPC, in Google AdWords, keywords research is the most important factor. Like if you are not putting the right keywords, that means your traffic is going to be waste. You are getting audience with the wrong search terms, you are getting audience with wrong perspective, and that results into your drastic ROI and drastic wastage of money on Google Ads. Criteria of selecting Google Ads for customer looking for something new, like first of all, like we will take an example of digital camera. There are 4 types of keyword selections. Product type keywords like digital camera, for keywords like digital camera, SLR camera. Branded related keywords like company names like Kodak camera, Canon camera, Nikon camera. Feature related keywords, that is kids camera, 8 megapixel camera, pink camera, that are feature related keywords. Service related keywords like free shipping, digital camera, camera review, that are the service related and informational and review purpose keywords. Selecting PPC keywords is the most important, and I am putting pressure on keywords. Like keyword is the most important factor to select your ads relevant. If your keyword is relevant to the ads, that means your quality score will be good, and if your quality score will be good, your CTR will be very good, and your CTR is good, that means your quality score is also good, and quality score defines ad rank and your bid amount. Like if your quality score is good, you will need to pay less amount of money to the Google Ads for clicking on your ads. Criteria of selecting keywords for customer looking for digital camera, like I have already told you these about. And now for selecting campaigns, we need to consider few things, like there are specific country city selections. We need to, like we were targeting USA campaigns, USA audience and UK audience and Canada audience, then we need to separate campaigns for each targeting. It's like, because that in each country there will be specific competition, and there will be specific keyword bidding for that particular keyword, the particular campaigns as well, particular audience as well. Like if I take example, in UK for digital camera there will be around 1 to 2 euro for keyword bid, and in US and Canada there will be around 2 to 3 USD dollar. And that is like if you are putting same targeting in one campaign, that means you are wasting money. You are already paying Google Ads more for UK audience and for other audience as well. Like if you are targeting India and United States in the same campaign, that means we need two different campaigns for each targeting. We can select cities for the campaigns as well, like we can create separate campaigns for each cities as well. And what are ad groups? Like I already told you what is campaign. Campaign is the most outer part of the your advertising platform that you can see on the screen, that is campaigns. And there are the listed on the campaign: video consideration, website traffic, sales, smart, video, custom, that are campaigns. In each campaign there are multiple ad groups, and each ad groups there are multiple ads as well. And in each ad group there can be multiple keywords as well, there can be multiple negative keywords as well, search terms as well, and audience as well. There are multiple things we need to discuss later. First of all, we need to about like I already told you campaigns. Now we will talk about ad groups. What is ad group? Ad group are the part of campaigns. Like ad group is the campaign's inner part, second most outer part of the your structure. And ad groups are created under campaigns which product categorization or location categorization or specific feature categorization that cannot be changed. Target countries and cities in ad groups. If you have selected campaigns settings in the targeting countries and cities, then you cannot change in ad groups. The targeting can be changed on the campaign level only. And you cannot change ad group budget as well. You can bid for specific ad groups, like for each keywords you are putting in one ad group, you can change all the keywords by putting one ad group bid, but you cannot change budget of ad group, as campaigns take care of all that. And ad groups are keywords bid can be changed in ad groups, like in each ad group there are multiple keywords, then keywords bid can be changed in ad groups. We can create multiple ads in different ad groups. We can create different ad groups in one campaign as well. We can give different landing pages in each ads or ad group. Like in one ad group we can create only one landing page. That need to be considered more important. And like I already told you campaigns, ad groups, and now we will talk about ads. Ads are the, every ad group has ads. Like ad is the third inner layer of the campaign, and you can create multiple ads in every ad group. You must create multiple ads to see which ad perform better. Every ad must have the keywords bidding and targeting of search engine marketing as well. Now how AdWord auction works, like I will show you example. Like I'm searching for digital camera. Okay, now my search query is digital camera, and I am requesting Google server to show me result for digital camera, and Google algorithm will search digital camera related ads, and then it will show to my